What is that?
I don't know. I also don't know where it came from. So I wonder. I bet you that'll get it lower the next time it comes in. How did a piece of hot dog get down there?
That's the hot dog you lost.
I need the light to be up here.
Do you want the bar? I don't know if that'll be any useful.
I can try it. Honestly wondering if I should leave well enough alone for now. This doesn't look bad.
What, and just put the new stuff on top?
Oh, it's hard. I'm wondering if it's worth just putting one ring on top.
Will it do any damage to leave the old stuff in there?
Shouldn't.
Well, we could try it. And then we can just make note to when we have the boat pulled to pick it all out and replace it.
Or since it wasn't leaking, do I just tighten it back down and we do it when the boat's pulled?
Can we still use the boat?
Yeah.
Yeah, we could do that. And then we can just, wasn't tightened down enough. So it was leaking, but we have it fixed. We inspected the packing, and the packing is perfectly fine. So when we have it pulled later in the year.
I'm just concerned. I'm concerned about being able to get it all out without panicking.
Yeah, maybe it's worth just leaving well enough alone until we have it pulled.
Because it's like, I don't have room to work in there.
And you can't pull the floor up either.
After cleaning and inspecting the packing in that really tight spot I would have to do boat yoga to get into, the packing was still good enough to get us through the season, and we'll be more comfortable changing it when we have the boat pulled for bottom paint at the end of the season. We'll be repacking both rudders and both prop shafts at that time as well. We'll be keeping an eye on it through the season. If we have to do it sooner, we will, but since it's hard to get to, it'd be nicer to do when the boat's out of the water and we're not pressed for time. So this bilge pump here that you can barely see failed recently. It will not work on automatic. We couldn't get very good shots of it, but it's that orange and white thing you see way down there. There's only really room for my hands after that. We also decided to update another one. These smart bilge pumps are cool. They can get the water down to about a 1/16 of an inch. They turn on every 2.5 minutes. If they sense a load, they stay on until the load disappears. If they don't sense a load, they go right back off.
My normal bubble on a 45-mile-an-hour zone. Now, the state has said when they put up all those speed light cameras, they like anything more than 10 miles an hour.
I hate clamps sometimes. Can you stay still, please?
I thought that
Okay. We're gonna have to deal with that at some point. Okay. Whoops. Oh man. I'm gonna try and leave that there because those screws are sealed. And grab the other pump. I got an old towel here. Let me put some water in there.
It doesn't seem to be pumping any water out. Oh, there it goes. It looks gross in there,
Let's
too.
fill this up with water one more time. Enough to where it triggers itself, since that's how it'll be 90% of the time.
Mm-hmm.
See how low it gets it. So on the Trojan, it did really well.
Mm-hmm.
Its face is against the bottom.
it performed well initially, and so you get a little insight here because you're on fire.
I think what we're going to end up doing at some point is shop vacuuming this out to dry it out. Removing that, dropping resin in the screw holes to seal them properly, and then properly mounting that base. The Trojan, it kind of cradled it and kept it where it was supposed to go.
Mm-hmm.
And back there, it's flat, and I don't know how I'd get in there to screw it down to the floor regardless without getting a crane and taking the generator out. But it's our flat spot, and the hose holds it in place.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, our phones are probably going nuts from that water sensor.
Mm-hmm.
We gotta figure out how to remount that. Alright, that's about how high it was before when it triggered, wasn't it?
Mm-hmm. I think so.
I want the line to drain before it kicks on. Wow, it takes the shower drain a long time.
And it takes it a while to start dripping. What is that?
I don't know. I also don't know where it came from. So I wonder. I bet you that'll get it lower the next time it comes in. How did a piece of hot dog get down there?
That's the hot dog you lost. That we couldn't find.
Surprised it's not funky in there.
Oh, that's disgusting.
All right. I think that will get us more water out of here. It's not high enough. It's got to be able to suck up enough. I think it's done that way so it can't keep turning on and off, on and off, on and off.
Mm-hmm. That should be fine there.
There's wire ties behind you. Can you grab a couple? We're going to see how it does there. I don't want to go through the trouble of mounting it down until we have it in the spot we want it. But I do want to neaten up the wires.
Do you want little ones? Or bigger ones?
Little ones should work. It's just for wires, as long as they're long enough.